So for question 1, it is asking for the both net ionic equation and the full chemical equation for the reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulfate. So first we have what both of them are written out with the charges and the correct coefficients, or not coefficients, subscripts and all of that. Part A is the entire chemical equation, so it has both spectator and the non-spectator, the reactants that are mixing to create the precipitate. And then the second part is just the net ionic, so it just has the barium and the sulfate because that's what mixed and created the solid. So the other two are spectator ions, and the other two being sodium chloride. And then question 2 is it gave a cylinder. You have to find the correct measurement and then write out the reaction and find the mass needed to fully titrate. I think it was the magnesium. So the first part is just the balanced chemical equation and the net ionic, which is this part, with the two charges here because that creates the copper chloride and the magnesium chloride. Part B was asking to find the measurement. Because it goes to the one spot, you measure to the tenths. So for me, I got 43.0 milliliters, which I should have added. Part C was asking how much mass needed to fully titrate with a molarity of 0.250. With the given volume, which is 43 milliliters, you multiply that by the molarity and you get 1.075 millimoles because you use milliliters, so it would translate to the moles. And the molar mass for magnesium is 24.305. When you multiply that with the moles that we are given with the molarity and the volume, you get 26.27 milligrams. If you wanted to put that into just grams, you would say 0.026 grams. And then for the question I got wrong, I only got one wrong. It was question 1, part A. It asked to write the net ionic equation for the chemical reaction between zinc and copper nitrate. I forgot to add the charges because for net ionic equations, you always have to put the charges. So I corrected that down here.